Bridging assets on OKX wallet involves transferring cryptocurrencies across different blockchains using the built-in cross-chain bridge or third-party tools accessible through the wallet. Here's how to bridge. Open OKX wallet. Launch the OKX wallet app or browser extension. Log in and ensure your wallet is funded with tokens for the transaction and gas fees. Access the bridge tool. On the wallet interface, look for the bridge option in the menu. If unavailable, use the DIA browser to access third-party bridges such as multi-chain or Seller C bridge. Select source and destination chains. Choose the source blockchain and the destination blockchain. Select the token you wish to bridge. Ensure it's supported on both blockchains. Connect your OKX wallet. If using an external bridge, click Connect Wallet, select OKX wallet and approve the connection. Enter bridging details. Specify the amount to bridge, review network fees, and confirm the transaction details. Approve and bridge. Approve the token for bridging and confirm the transaction between the wallet. Receive tokens. Wait for the transaction to complete. The bridge tokens will appear on the destination chain in your wallet.